Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all very well indeed. Welcome to another vlog for One Man and His Boat. I'm Barry, your host, and this is our gorgeous Cygnus 21 that we're building, the Lindsay B. If you want to find out what we're doing this week, stay tuned after the intro. So guys, what's in today's vlog? Well, today's vlog we're actually going to be putting that pot hauler in at the right place. Yes, the clamp's ready, the foot's ready, we just need to get it all lined up. And fingers crossed I've done my job right. I guess I'll wait and see, eh? I'd also like to add, today is a benchmark day, yes. 2 years ago today, a rock hopper off Percule finally left Dunbar Harbour for the last time. Left a big hole in my heart. Until this lady came along, yay! And ever since then, she took all my money and time. Sound familiar? Right guys, I'm going to stop the comedy now. Let's get on with the vlog. Right guys, why did I take the pump back off? Well, I need full access to this corner over here and the pump was in the way, so that's the only reason for that. We've got all the jigs made up now. I'm going to be measuring up off camera and I'm basically going to start next week's vlog because I've run out of time. I'm so sorry guys. But before we go, I want to surprise you guys with this. Yes! I've got the right way. It was my birthday the other day and this is a present from Lindsay B to me and one man in his boat, and this is a game changer for when we go to sea. It's got stabilisation, it's got horizon lock. Is going to give you guys the full experience what a fisherman goes through daily. So if that's not something to look forward to, I don't know what is. But I'd just like to say thank you very much, Lindsay B. You're a sweetheart, you really are. So guys, without further ado, if you like this video, do the usual, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, tinkle the keyboards and leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel and tick that notification bell, and YouTube will make you feel very special indeed, my friends. Okay, until next week, all the very best.